Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session we are going to install Kali Linux 2021.2 on our Raspberry Pi 4, and this is what the desktop version. As you can see, I have already installed the Kali Linux 2021.2 on the Raspberry Pi 4, and as you can see this is what the wallpaper, okay, and I'm going to show you it is a ARM version, okay friends. So friends, as you can see, the version is 2021.2, which is the latest version, and here as you can see the ARC64 GNU Linux. So this is what our Raspberry Pi 4 latest version 2021.2. So in this video I am going to show you how you can install the Kali Linux latest version on Raspberry Pi 4. So let's start. So friends, now we are on our Windows 10 machine, laptop, desktop, okay, and here simply open the Chrome browser, okay, and search for the Kali Linux. As you can see, I have searched for the Kali Linux. Then it will open the www.kali.org website, okay, and here we need to go inside the downloads session. So click on downloads. It will open the get Kali session. As you can see, the kali.org, get Kali, okay. Simply here we need to scroll down, okay, and friends, as you can see this is what the session, the ARM session, okay. Here we have our Kali Linux ARM based images, means the images for our Raspberry Pi 4. So simply you need to scroll down a little bit for the ARM section, okay. So scroll down and then, okay, we have our, as you can see, the Raspberry Pi Foundation and the images, okay. So simply here Raspberry Pi 2, 3, 4 and 432-bit. If you are on Raspberry Pi 4 32-bit, so you can download of course image for the 32-bit. So I am going to download the 64-bit version. So simply Raspberry Pi 2 version 1.2, 3, 4 and 400, okay. So simply we need to download here 64-bit, okay. So I'm going to download a 64-bit image, okay. So simply we need to click on here. As you can see, click on here and it will download the image, okay. So as you can see friends, it's now downloading. So I have already downloaded the image, so I am going to cancel the image. So we have now our Kali Linux latest version image for Raspberry Pi 4. Now we need to basically here a Raspberry Pi imager or a Balena etcher for flashing the image inside our SD card. So go to the raspberrypi.org/software, and here again we are going to scroll down, and as you can see this is what our Raspberry Pi imager. Download for the Windows if you are on Mac OS, so download for the Mac OS. If you are on for Ubuntu, so download for the Ubuntu. I have already downloaded the Raspberry Pi imager for Windows machine, and also I have already installed the Raspberry Pi imager. As you can see, this is what the Raspberry Pi imager on Windows 10 machine, okay. So download the Raspberry Pi imager and just install it. If you don't want to download the Raspberry Pi imager, you can go with the Balena etcher, okay. So the Balena etcher.io. Simply here also we need to scroll down, and as you can see here, if you want to download for the Windows machine, you can just download for the Windows, then the portable Mac OS, Linux, all versions are available. So as per your choice, you can download a Raspberry Pi imager, either you can download the Balena etcher, okay. So just grab the software and install it, and then just flash the image, okay. So we have our Raspberry Pi imager, also we have our image, okay. So simply I am going to show you the image. So I have the Kali Linux latest Raspberry Pi 4 image. As you can see, this is what our image, Kali Linux 2021.2 RPi, okay. So simply we are going to flash the SD card. So open the RPi imager, choose OS, okay, then just scroll down, come to the end. At the end we can see a use custom, so simply select the use custom option, and here we are going to select our Kali Linux image. Okay friends. So friends, as you can see, this is what our Kali Linux 2021.2 ARPi4 image. Okay, simply click on open, then choose the SD card. As you can see, I have here 15.9 GB SD card. Select it, then simply we need to click on write, click on yes, and now our image is flashing inside the SD card. Okay friends. So friends, as you can see, our writing process is completed. Now it's verifying. Okay, so I am going to cancel the verify. Okay, so cancel the verify, and now it's finalizing. Okay, and we have successfully flashed our image inside the SD card. Okay, so friends, as you can see, we have successfully flashed the image. Now as you can see, this is what the card reader with our card. Now I am going to simply click on the continue. Okay, so here click on the continue. Okay, now remove the card reader. Okay, this is what the card reader and card. Now I am going to insert the card inside our Raspberry Pi 4. Then we are going to boot our Raspberry Pi 4 with the Kali Linux. Okay friends. So friends, I have inserted the card inside our Raspberry Pi 4, and now it's booting with the Kali Linux. Okay. So friends, as you can see, now our Kali Linux is booting. Okay, so it takes some time for processing. Okay, so friends, Kali Linux is successfully boot, and this is what the first screen, the login screen. Here we need to enter the username and the password. So by default username is Kali Kali, and password is also Kali. Okay, so we have to mention the username is Kali and password is Kali. Okay, so I have to mention the username and password here. Okay, so friends, as you can see, I have mentioned the username is Kali and password is Kali. Simply now I am going to log in. So just hit enter. And friends, as you can see, we have successfully logged in our Kali Linux 2021.2 desktop. Okay, so this is what our look, the first look. Okay, so now here first we need to configure the Wi-Fi. Okay, so simply I am going to show you how you can configure the Wi-Fi. Okay, so friends, as you can see, the WLAN interface is ready, but it has no IP address. As you can see here, the WLAN interface is up, but the no IP address. So how to set the IP address? Simply we need to go here. Simply friends, we need to go here. As you can see here, this box. Okay, click on here, and it will show the all the Wi-Fi or all the router which nearby the Raspberry Pi 4. So choose your router SSID. Mine is Raspberry. Okay, and then it will open the box for entering the passphrase or entering the password of our router. So I am going to enter the router password. Okay, so as you can see friends, I have entered the password. Now we need to click on the connect. So click on connect here, and as you can see here, it's working. Here you will see clearly. As you can see now here friends, here as you can see the logo of our Wi-Fi connection. And if I go here and again if I run the command if config and hit enter, and this time as you can see we have the IP address 192.168.0.105. So this is the way friends you can install the Kali Linux latest version, the desktop version on Raspberry Pi 4, and you will set the IP address for your WLAN interface. Okay, so I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.